Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. We are going to see the best buying entries for Solana and non-biased technical analysis. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits even on the bearish market we are right now, and you will get an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, market updates, and manual systems with buying and selling opportunities with risk-reward ratios and many more benefits. Okay, you can also join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe, helps so much with the daily updates. Let's go right now to see that we are having a lower high and a higher low for Solana in the USDT chart. We are having a little bit of a squeeze point right here, not so much volume going on for Solana. And we have the 123 as our major support level and the 140 as our next support level. Right now we want to see how many chances do we have to go upwards and to go downwards. It is never 50-50. Okay, never 50-50. If you hear that from one person, then he's absolutely wrong. Okay, it always has a higher chance of going up or a higher chance of going down, but it is never 50-50. Although we will see for Solana that these chances are close to each other. We will explain why later. Right now, let's go to the MACD. You can see for the MACD higher low pattern, almost the same high. And of course, we want to break above. We want to break above the MACD here so we can go even higher and to go break even to the 158 to have a significant swing high for Solana. Okay, so we can go now to the risk metrics right there, and we will see that these are some graphs that I did before. Okay, I will explain what are these. So you can see that we had here going above the 50-day MA. The red line is the 50-day exponential moving average. So what happens in a bearish market? We go above this line and then we correct. We go above this line and then we correct. We go above this line and then we correct. So we are forming a pattern of corrections, but at the same time right now we're having a higher low pattern right here. You can see how we are getting into squeeze point. The risk metrics right there do not helps us so much on the 4-hour frame to realize that maybe we have a great buying opportunity or not. That's the reason that we do not hold many chances of going upwards or many chances of going downwards either. The chances are a little bit as much equal, but we will see how many more chances we have to go upwards or downwards. Okay, for the time being, the Fisher transform here is not in an oversold. It is going a little bit down into an oversold, but not an extreme oversold situation. Stochastic RSI the same. Commodity channel index between -100 and 100, and the RSI between 30 and 70 as well. Let's go to the daily frame. You can see on the SSL hybrid, we will close the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. You can see that we had some risky buying opportunities that didn't end up well. Buying opportunity here, selling opportunity there. Buying opportunity here as well, selling opportunity not at all right now, but we might be having. Let's see that. I will open for the time being the 20-day and the 50-day MA now, because I will explain why maybe SSL hybrid had a buying chance right here. It might have a chance right here because we went support above the 20-day MA, making the 20-day MA a support level. Same here as well, but it wasn't enough. Okay, we had a nice green candlestick there, but it wasn't sure that we are going upwards all the way for Solana on the daily frame. Okay, so you can see that we might be having more chances a little bit of going upwards due to this factor, this stochastic RSI, only this. Okay, but rather than that, the RSI, you can see that it has some lower highs, lower low pattern as well. The commodity channel index is not below -100, and of course we need to be careful. Fisher transform is a little bit in an oversold situation, not an extreme, but of course it is. So we have a little bit more chances to go upwards. Let's see Solana Bitcoin chart. Same here. We are getting into a squeeze point. You can see here lower highs, higher lows. We are getting into a squeeze point. Do we have more chances of going upwards or downwards? If we check the 4-hour frame, we cannot realize because we do not hold any significant risk in any of the risk metrics. Okay, you see that it is pumping a little bit down, a little bit upwards, we do not know. But if we check the daily frame, you will see that on the daily frame we have a stochastic sign in oversold, and of course the Fisher transform is going a little bit into an oversold, so we have more chances of breaking upwards, but these chances are not more than 55% to 60%. Okay, so you always need to be careful because we have a very high risk around 40%. Okay, so we can go to the price analysis and I will explain what we are doing in these situations. In these situations that we are not certain that we have a high risk of going downwards, it is higher than we go upwards, but we still hold the 45 to 40% risk. Okay, so it is very important to know that right now, while we hold this risk, it is better to have some buying entries right here, for example around 98 to 100 Tether USD. They might never be filled out, but if we have a crash rate here for Bitcoin, if we have a crash rate there and we go down to the 38,000 Tether USD, then it will help us on getting these buying entries and going above. For Bitcoin right now, on the short term, we are finding a little bit of a support level right here in the 41,700 because it is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. It will be good that we close above, okay, but at the same time it doesn't mean that we are bullish. Okay, it will be good that we close above, but at the same time we might be getting further down in the next few hours. Nothing very important, just for the very short term to explain why we have a little bit of a buying pressure right here. Okay, a strong Bitcoin, we might be getting above the 45,100, might get us above this triangle here, but at the same time do always remember that we hold the risk and Bitcoin might be going to 37,000, 38,000, most probable scenario to go there, and therefore a crash on Bitcoin will get us, so will get Solana below the 123 Tether USD. Always remember that, and then that's why you need to have these orders right here around 98 and 102 Tether USD buying entries for me for Solana. Okay, and of course you can see that Bitcoin right now on the 1st October, around 1st October, 30 September, 1st October, 2nd, around the start of the October, actually we might be having a huge pullback or a huge price upwards, because we had the gun box. If you remember the daily update I did for Bitcoin, we had a major change around 1st October. We will see how this will play out. Anyway, you know the risks that we have right now, you know the buying entries for Solana. Let's hope that we do not meet these buying entries and we go even higher, but for now it is very hard because we have lots of risk to trade in right now. Thank you. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. You will take easy profits, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.